Okay, folks, welcome to week 0. So for your work this week, make sure you're coming up here to the week 0, clicking on that. This is the link to get you onto the textbook and onto the Revel site to do the online work. That is required. You have to finish that by the end of week 1. I gave you a little extra time on this for chapter 1. The reason being, sometimes people have trouble getting access to it or things like that, and I wanted you to start, but I also want you to know that nothing is pending right now. If you have a little bit of trouble getting it started, I'm going to work with you and we will be fine. Your discussion for this week is a little bit larger than normal since there's no reading, no work that accompanies the reading that is required. I felt comfortable giving you a little bit larger discussion. The first part of the discussion, I want you to tell people in the class about yourself, all right? What brings you to this class? Is it something you're looking forward to, something you're dreading, something like that? Then I want you to look in the chapters of the textbook. What are you looking most forward to of those chapters? Which are you least interested in? Can you still approach the things that you're not that interested in with an open mind? I want you to watch this short video that's available on Vimeo, and then let me know what you thought about it. 6 to 8 well thought out sentences is a minimum for this. Now, whenever you are posting your initial response, be sure to monitor the calendar and make sure that you get your initial response online on time. Okay? Whenever you are doing this, you need to make sure that your name is the subject in that discussion. So whenever you come up here and click on discussion 0, I want you to create a thread. When you come down here, your subject, that should be your name. Okay? And then down here, you type your answer to the prompt. All right? That's it for week 1. I do want to make sure that you go back once I've graded that first discussion and look at all the feedback. Most of you will end up getting a pretty good grade on discussion 1, but I will give you feedback. If by discussion 2 or 3 you're not following the feedback, you will get penalized on your grade for that, okay? And I think that's fair. I'm telling you what I want you to do, all right? You guys have a nice day, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me.